Alright guys, here is another trade on the small Forex account. Just showing you guys what the potential is. So I entered this trade in at 50 cent. So if you look right here, that's my 50 cent lot size that I went into, and trying to see if I can take it up to here. So if it gets up to the spot right here, that'll be a $53 profit. So I'll be taking 50 cents and turning it into $53. All right, and what I'm gonna do is just trail my stop to here. All right, so if it comes back, that'll be 50 cents into $12. Hit confirm, and we'll just play this out. Give me 1 second, I'm gonna pause the video. All right, I'm back. So we'll let this play out. I need to do something real quick because I'm working while we're doing this. So currently 50 cent turned into 30 bucks. All right, and I'm gonna trail my stop up a little tighter. That'll be $18 if it comes back to this point. So 50 cents into $18 currently. All right, running profit is $33. All right, and all this is off of a 50 cent trade. And let's see, I'm gonna get ready to trail my stop up further. Trail it up to here. So if it comes back and stops me out, that'll be $26. All right, see if we can get up to the 50 before it comes back on us. So current running profit is $38. All right, I'm on a 1 minute chart. Let's see if we can trail this up. And all this is off of proper account risk management. Like, it doesn't take a lot. Slow and steady growth, man. Look at it on the percentage side and not really the amount. So the amount is pretty cool in this case because it's 50 cent. It's currently at what, almost 40. It's gonna pull back, but I want it to get up to the 50. All right, I want to get it up to the 50. So right now, if it comes back on me, I'll be at $32, and it looks like it's gonna come back and take us out. So let's see. All right, $31. Just turned 50 cent into $31 in a matter of what, 3 minutes. Guys, it's a no-brainer. Hold on, let me pull up a calculator. All right, so we were at what, $31. So let's do 0.5 divided by 31. I think I'm doing that wrong. 31 divided by 0.5. 62%, right? 60. I just gained 62%. All right, I just turned 50 cents into $31. 62% gain. The opportunity, the potential is endless, guys. So just wanted to show you guys, hey, this can be done. All right, hope to see you guys in the class. Have a good one. Bye.